So, hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. This video is gonna be a special video because guys, as you can see, it is our house and our house is flooded. As you can see now also I am here, and in this place I always make videos. It is the place where I also make videos. Here are some coaches are there, and this is our tree, but everything is now under the water. Yes, and also everywhere you can see only the water. So it's a very special thing, so that's why I also want to make this special day a special moment, also a special memory. So that's why I am making this video. As you can see, everywhere it's only the water and the water. And also not in our house, in the area there are also, in mostly all of the house there is the flooding, and also there is the water. So now how the and what is the story from where the water started coming, and also how it started coming, I also will share in this video all of the things to you. Now also, as you can see, like now the water is not very high, but at the morning time it was also in a very higher situation. And if you also notice there that from our gate the water is also just coming very speed and also heavily. And now this is the time of the water, and it is the evening time, so that's why the water is also returning slowly, but it will return very slowly. And also now the current and also the electricity had gone from our area, and everywhere is only the water. The experience is great, and also at the morning time I went near and there with my friends, and I also have understood and I have experienced this moment, the flooding now moment. From 2 days there were some rain, okay, was going, heavy rain was growing in our area. But suddenly in the morning time I and my father, we noticed that the water was just started coming very heavily and also very fastly. So at that moment, for to understand that the water was increasing nor it was decreasing, we did an experiment. Okay, the experiment was like, we also just went to the place where the water was coming. At that moment we also just remarked, and we also take like a small pencil, and we just marked and we draw a line. At that line we also just said, my father said to me that you just see, after few moments the line will be under the water. Okay, at that moment where the line was drawn, at that moment there was no any water. But after few moments when I have returned there, when I went there, then I saw that there was the water, means the line was under the water. And from the situation I also understood that the water will come and it will just also flow up, and now it is the situation. And the water coming is also just start slowly. Okay, if you are thinking that in one moment, in 1 to 3 seconds, in few minutes the water has flooded and also it has come and came in our house, then you are wrong. Step by step, slowly it started. But now it is the situation, from everywhere the water is just coming into our house, but also we are trying to remove it. And I know, and we also know that slowly it will go. It's not the first time in every year when the heavy rain it happens, then also our house, the water came into our house. So it was the video that I want to share with you. It's a great memorable thing, and I also don't know in the future what gonna be. So from the morning the water was coming and going, it was increasing, it was decreasing, but I don't know about the future what will be after few moments or after few hours. And we and everyone, I also hope that after few hours and also near about 3-4 hours the water all comes. So what kind of a natural disaster, and also we and anything in this world can't control the natural disaster. So that's why it will go, it will come, it is not in our people's hand. But as fast as we need to take the preparation for our future, now also it's also saying very happy, very enjoyable thing, and also very interesting thing. But you know, I know that only we are happy, but also some people, those houses are near the river, they are also in a very big danger. They also are thinking that they what will do. Some people, they had gone to their relatives house. Yes, I am also want to say that when in the morning time when I just went near and there, when I was just exploring the floating part, the floating movement, then also I have noticed that all of the houses which were near the river, they were all flooded up, and also the water was also entering their house. Yes, into their house, into their home. So how they will eat, how they will pass this dangerous day? I also am just thinking, many people, they also locked their house and they have gone to their relatives house, and also the other platforms to spend this night and also to spend this day. So it is also one kind of a natural disaster, and also the nature is just saying to us that this type of lessons and this type of moments will come and go, but what you will learn, it is depend on you. So just remember it, it is very very beautiful, but also on the another hand it is very dangerous. Everything and every work has two types, two ways. One is a different and one is a positive and one is a negative. Okay, like this also natural disaster, this natural moment, it is also one kind of a positive if you take it positively. If you make, like now also I am using it, I am using the power of it, I am making video, I am just making it remarkable. But also on the another hand it has also a negative part, which negative part is also just giving a lot of people troubles. So I want to share this thing. Now also I am here and I know that of course many people, they are also catching the fish. Yes, and I went near and that, then also I discovered, then I just understood that people, they are just taking their nets of their house. Yes, the mosquito net that also we use at the time and at the part of the sleeping, they're just using that mosquito net, and they are just sit down with their friends, with their family members for to catch the fish. And also they are doing this type of enjoyable thing, and also they are catching the fishes. So they are also just using the positive part of this flood everywhere in the roadside, from the houses, they are just catching the fishes, they are playing with it, they are making fun. So that's why everything is possible in this world. Now also natural disaster, you can see our house also, it is our house. So one kind of a, I know, and we hope that in the future time the water will not flow, because now it is still okay, the water it is also not increasing nor decreasing, it is in the still movement. So that's why I don't think that the water will flow up. But if the water just start flowing up, then also the water can enter our house. The same situation also happened to the next year. Yes, in the next year also we faced this trouble, but the next year was a little bit higher. Okay, the water level was a little bit higher, but now in this year it is not that much higher, it is a minimum higher. And also as you can see, if I just go in the middle part of our house, then you can see that the water is also in our knee level. Now it is a little bit lower from the knee, but when it was the evening time, not evening, when it was the afternoon time, near about 1 or 2 p.m, that moment the water was totally in the knee level and the knee part. And also it is very very great thing, I hope all of you like it. And also in some places of Agartala, polices and also people, they are helping to the another people who are also can't go near, and their house is in danger, their life is in danger. So guys, I hope that all of you like this video. So guys, please, just this video deserve one like and also one subscribe. I always make this type of videos, entertainment, motivational, inspirational, and also the ideas for English language. Bye bye, I'll meet you in the next video to a great mind. Nothing is a little. Bye.